Hi, my name is Vince. My number matrix is 07DEE25F1062. For now, I will share some precautions to do before using the multimeter. First, check the physical condition on the device itself. Inspect for any broken parts, loose component, or cracks on the casing. Be sure the dial runs smoothly and clicks in the position. Then check the fuse in the case whether it is blown or not. Next, test lead should be inspected for any exposed wire. Finally, be sure to set the device to the correct mode when using to avoid damaging the multimeter. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Izzat Faris from DEE1A. My matrix number is 07DEE25F1089, and today I will be showing how to measure resistors using a multimeter. Okay, so first what you need to do is you need to calibrate it first. Make sure it's 0. Then start picking out your resistor that you want to measure and just measure it like this. As you can see, it is 0, so we can't get any measurement. So what you need to do is simply change its scale, its range, and calibrate it again. Make sure it is 0. Now you can start measure it. As you can see, it shows 9 ohms, even though this is supposed to be 10 ohms. That may be because it is very old and it can be measured accurately. So now we move on to another resistor. For this resistor, if the needle doesn't move, it basically means this resistor is a lot more higher than the other one. So what you need to do first is change the scale again. In this case, we're using 1k ohm, and remember to calibrate it first. Then we can start measure it. As you can see, the needle points straight to 10, meaning 10 multiply it by 1k, and we'll get a 10 kilo ohm or 10,000 ohm. So this resistor is 10,000 ohm or 10 kilo ohm, while this resistor is 10 ohm, even though it is not accurate. So that's how you measure resistor using a multimeter. That's all from me. Thank you. Now I will show how to measure voltage using an analog multimeter. First and foremost, what you need is a battery. This battery particularly has 1.5 volts. So in order to measure its voltage, what you need to do is select the scale that is slightly higher than the said voltage of your battery, and then make sure to connect the probes in the corresponding symbol, which is positive connect with positive and negative connect it with negative. So let's just do that. And as you can see, it points straight toward 150. So if after you've got 150 on the analog multimeter, what you need to do is divide it by 100 so that you can get 1.5 voltage. And that's how you measure voltage of an item by using an analog multimeter.